usually like Indonesian people, usually there is like come around here on Sunday because we got a lot of customer also. It's like from ASEAN and from like people also Korean, Japan, different curry and special is like Nasi Goreng. Nasi is mean rice.
Rice.
Goreng is fried.
Oh, I see. So fried rice.
Nasi Goreng.
But you always make it with the egg?
Yes.
I see.
Gado-gado mah.
Ini orang tak piringnya tu ya.
Curry in the lodeh.
Okay.
Lodeh. It's like curry, but it's different actually. Curry
I
and
see.
lodeh. Yeah.
Wow. What do you think is the main difference between Malaysian and Indonesian food?
Usually Malaysian is like the curry is a little bit red, right? But Indonesian is like yellow.
Yellow.
So and then Malaysia, I think Malaysia is more spicy than us.
Okay.
Yeah, but all the space inside is similar.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the ingredient I mean. Yeah. We cannot say it's like 100% halal because our menu have pork or babi. A lot of people are asking, it's like your food is halal, but we need to explain to them okay, what's meaning halal and not halal.
Right,
okay?
right.
So our food half is halal. It's chicken is like example chicken, beef, and fish is of course beef. Fish is get from local market, so it's not halal. So chicken, our chicken is from Brazil.
Right.
So it's halal. This is gado-gado. So this is peanut sauce. It's like inside got so many ingredients inside. It's like peanut, chili sauce, and garlic, some shallot. Yeah, see shallot. And there is have it's like long bean, then green one. Yeah, it's called long bean, right? And then cabbage, and then bean sprout. And they will add on it like some tofu, egg, and boiled potatoes. And they will add also it's like cherry tomato on it. But our gado-gado vegetarian and non-vegetarian is different. Yeah, we can use the prawn crackers for the non-veggie.